Say to the people that are listening about self-discipline when you're working for yourself? What is it like? I know that you are extremely disciplined about what time you go to the gym in the morning, how you handle your life. What would you tell someone that thinks, well, I'm going to quit my job so I don't have to work for somebody?
Oh, it's tough. It is definitely tough. Definitely an accountability partner's helpful. Due to the fact that racing each other to the office every morning or whatever the case may be, that is something that helps, because not having to get up or getting off at noon or golfing on a Tuesday, all those are possibilities that you're able to do. It's probably not the correct thing, but really just I think overall it's dispersing your time and having a very good balance in what you're trying to. Everybody's different. I think everyone's goals are different. Mm-hmm. So whatever you feel is best for your financial freedom, for your time freedom, that's all up to you. And what you do on a day-to-day basis will help you achieve